Checking out Boxmode website builder. My experience and helpful links are below. Boxmode is a versatile builder for small businesses, freelancers, and individuals needing a professional website without coding. It's perfect for those wanting modern design and easy use. Boxmode offers responsive templates for various industries, from business and e-commerce to events and portfolios. Customize everything with its intuitive drag-and-drop editor. Adjust layouts, add media, contact forms, galleries, and more. Design flexibility empowers you to control your site's look without technical skills. Boost your site's performance with Boxmode's built-in SEO and analytics tools. Track visitor behavior and optimize for search engines. For businesses, Boxmode offers e-commerce features, product listings, payment gateways, and order management. Integrate with marketing tools, CRM systems, and other business apps for streamlined operations. Try Boxmode's free plan to test the platform. Premium plans unlock custom domains, more storage, and advanced design. While feature-rich, Boxmode is user-friendly. It's powerful and flexible, ideal for those who value design freedom, business tools, and scalability. Create a professional site with ease. Links are below. See if Boxmode is right for you.